everyone! How's everyone doing today? I am doing well. So today is my Pick a Stick Artist Trading Card Challenge. Every month we are given a challenge to do, and we do art journal pages, or in this case the artist trading card. And you have to, the challenge is you have to go in order of the steps. And it's optional to use the color, which I'm glad because I'm using green today, but not this ugly pistachio color. That's too ugly for me. So our steps are to use the stencil, letters, and dark. They're one words. It's a little bit more challenging this year than it had been last year. One words are very open to interpretation, and sometimes it's just too much. But I think I have an idea of what I want to do. So the link to the Facebook group will be down below in the description. So check them out if you want. So I have my trading card here, and it's just a piece of watercolor paper that I've cut down to 2.5 by 3.5. So I'm going to actually be using my, I got these the other day. They were on clearance, or I think on clearance, on sale, something, I don't know, at Michael's, relatively inexpensive. And I wanted some, they're calling them, what do they call them? Water soluble wax pastels. So in other words, watercolor crayons. That's my opinion anyway. I'm going to use these two blue colors and these two green colors. And I'm just going to use a baby wipe as well. Okay, now what I want to do is now I'm moving on to the step using the stencil. But before I do that, I'm going to use some distressed inks. I'm interested in knowing if I can use these inks over the crayon or wax, whatever they're calling it. So I'm just going to use a little bit of my distressed inks here over it. I've got Salty Ocean and Pistachio. No, not pistachio. Geez Louise, that's the paint, the peeled paint. Which is not quite the green, but it'll be alright. Alright. So what I want to do now is I do want to use a stencil. So now I'm going on to step 1, and that's to use a stencil. So I'm going to use a stencil, and I'm just going to use some water here, and I'm going to spray. And I'm going to let it sit for just a second or two. And then I'm going to take a paper towel that I have here, and I'm just going to blot. And then we'll see what we get. I don't know what we're going to get. That's cool, isn't it? Okay. That ended up being pretty cool. Oh. I think I'm going to take my bottle. Try to do some splashes here. Alright, now let me dab that. Okay. I'm going to dry this and I'll be right back. Wow, that's really cool. That looks really interesting. It's kind of like you're looking through a filter. Okay, so now I just want to continue building my background, and I'm actually going to be using these stamps. This is by Tim Holtz. It was in a kit, and this is Delusions. So this is the letters, so this is going to come into step 2, and then this is just for background. And I'm going to pretty much just use the same colors because I don't want it to, you know, I just want to stay in the same colors for right now. And as you can see, I'm not even using a block. I'm actually going to be using this cactus green instead of the peeled paint because I feel like it's a prettier color. Than the peeled paint is. I think it matches the green of the crayon better. Okay. Let's just use blue. I'm just moving this around. Okay, this is looking like a hot mess, isn't it? Just haphazardly doing this is just making it look crazy, I feel. Okay, that's enough. The thing with the ATC cards, they're so small, and I feel like you can really, like I just did, I feel like I just overdid all that. Okay, so let me just put these back up. Alright, so that's that done. Now, I think I want to splatter some white on here. I just feel like it needs something. I feel like I just way overdid that. Oh, yikes, yikes, yikes. So, I don't have my gesso right here. Hold on, let me get my, I think I'm going to use titanium white. I don't need to go much anywhere for that. It's right here. If I can open this, this thing gives me the hardest time. Oh, there it goes. Oh, on my finger. Nice, nice, nice. Okay. You know what I think I want to do too? This might be really radical. I may totally regret doing this. But I think I'm going to use a little bit of this white on my palette knife. And kind of just... Did I just screw that up? If I can't. Okay, now I'm gonna put splatters on here. I don't know if that white did much of anything, but make it even crazier. But I'm having fun. I'm playing. I'm learning. So, yeah, whatever. You know, that's the beauty of doing mixed media, as you learn. Okay. Oh, that's nice. Alright. So, let me clean all this mess up and I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm going to put this to the side because I'm going to actually start working on my focal point. This is reminding me. Okay, so if you live in Georgia, all the trees in the world are blooming right now. My nose is itching crazy. But our Bradford pears, if you don't know what that is, go look it up. But oh my gosh, it looks like it's snowing outside because of the Bradford pears. That's what this is reminding me of. The Bradford pears. Not snow, but Bradford pears. The little white flowery leaves from the Bradford pears. That's what that is reminding me of. So, alright. Now what I want to do, I hope y'all can hear me. I'm kind of across the room. Now I'm going to do my focal point. And I think I'm going to make a hot air balloon. I was just in the mood for a hot air balloon ride today. So I'm going to use my black StazOn. And I just have a thing here, a scrap piece of cardstock. So I'm just going to stamp this up really well with my black StazOn, and then I'm going to cut it out. I'm going to fussy cut it out, and then I'm going to put it on my card with matte gel medium. So let me do that, and hopefully the card will be dry, but I will be back when I have this cut out and put onto the card. So I'll be back. Okay, so I have my Pitt pens here to color in my balloon, and this is raw umber that I'm gonna just use. And because I went over this with matte medium, I'm able to just take my finger and smear it around for a minute while it's still wet, to kind of give highlights and such. Okay, oh, I like that. All right. Then, all right, so I'm going to paint the balloon. I think I'm going to paint them these colors. Okay, so now I think I want to, I'm going to draw the little, if my pen will work. There we go. Draw the little strings, ropes. And there we go. Yeah, that looks better. All right. And then I want to put my sentiments on. Oh, I think it's sweet. I think it turned out pretty cool. Let's see. I know what I want to put. Hold on just a second. Okay, I got what I want. So got my pasta pen. Okay, let's turn out cute. All right, now what I want to do is, and now I'm going to dark. I'm going to the dark side. I am actually going to use my Stays On, but timber brown. I'm not going to go with the black, I don't think. Well, why not? Let's do black. Let's do it. Let's just do it. Let's do it. And I'm just going to go over the edge with black. So that's my dark. So I'm just going to make a border using my black Stays On. One last thing and then I'll be done. Well, besides putting the date on it. And my gnome. I got my stickles here. I'm going to put some stickles on. Okay, so that's it. I finished it up. I put a little bit of glossy accents on the basket just to try to, make it look a little dimensional. I think that made it look a lot better. So that's it. I had so much fun just playing. I had no idea what would happen if I put the distressed inks over the watercolor crayons or watercolor wax pastels, whatever you want to call them. But I think it turned out super duper cute. I really, really do like it a lot. It's just so cute, so cute. So I hope it inspired you to just play, have fun and play. So yeah, if you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe if you've not already subscribed. And if you have, thank you so much. I truly, truly, truly appreciate it. But don't forget to hit the notification button to be notified for every time that I post a video. Alright, y'all. Y'all be good to one another, and I'll talk to you later. Thanks for watching. Bye!